On 31st Jan 2016, Mr. X withdrew for personal use rupees 20,000. Let's pass accounting entry. Step 1. Determine the two accounts involved in the transaction. Here, Mr. X, let's assume he's the proprietor, he had withdrawn 20,000 for personal use. So when he withdraws the money, he has got an obligation to pay back. Okay, so he's a person and he's the proprietor. He's withdrawing. So I'm going to stress on that word, drawing. Drawing represents money withdrawn by the proprietor or owner of the business for their personal use. Okay, so one account which is involved in this transaction is the drawings account, and when drawing takes place, what happens? Cash is going out of the business, so cash account is the other account. So two accounts involved are drawing and cash account. Step 2, we have to classify the accounts under personal, real, nominal. This drawing account basically represents the money that is taken by Mr. X, the proprietor. So it is a personal account. And cash account, we know that comes under real account classification. Step 3, find out the rules of debit and credit. Personal account says debit the receiver of benefit, in this case uh, Mr. X, and that is represented through drawings account. And cash account says debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In this case, cash is going out. Okay, so the real account says debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So I'll write credit what goes out because that is the relevant rule for us. Step 4, identify which account have to be debited and which should be credited. Debit should go to the receiver of benefit, and in this case it is represented through drawings account. So drawings account should be debited and the credit should go to the account where the money is going out. So credit what goes out, so cash account should be credited. So the entry is cash account credit. So now let me capture the date of the transaction. The transaction happened on 31st Jan 2016. The account to be debited is drawing account and the credit should go to cash account. So what is the amount involved? It is 20,000 and credit is also 20,000. So we can give the narration being amount withdrawn. Let me put it being amount withdrawn for personal use.